So people, I normally ended this video, but in front of me is the new C63 AMG as an estate. 257. Hello people, this is Moscarblog and today you are joining me on this beautiful S400D night drive POV. This is the 340 HP 400 diesel model with 700 Newton meters and a 3.0 straight 6 engine. This is the long wheelbase, as you can see here. And we have here this beautiful multi-beam LED, these AMG wheels. We've got the brakes of a real AMG here. Those are AMG sport brakes. I hope you can see it. Look at it. This is the back of the car. We have these beautiful lights with this crystal effect. I hope you can see it. We have the 4MATIC version of the S400D. So let's stop talking and let's jump straight into the driver's seat and take it on the Autobahn. As you can see, we are currently gliding in the 9th gear. The car is really comfortable, really stable, like you would expect the S-Class to be. I'm currently waiting for the Autobahn to be unlimited so we can give it some throttle. I will see you then. So let's now give it full throttle. Really stable at like 250. You can drive 250 for like 2 or 3 hours. It's completely fine. Very good. Very good suspension setup in this car. Feel the power. This car never feels really weak. It's a perfect diesel engine, the straight 6 they started to use now instead of the V6. The new ones also got the straight 6. Here, perfect brakes made by AMG. This, by the way, has the AMG steering wheel. This is due to the AMG package. This is the full 63 steering wheel with the aluminium pedals and the AMG badging here, and it's got a leather honk which is really beautiful. Everything is aluminium, really nice wood trim, and there's our sign. Currently at 210, car feels really stable. This is an absolute joke to this car. This car drives seriously amazing, and it's really luxurious, really comfortable. This is your perfect Autobahn daily driver. They are all lighting the light at me, I don't know why, since it's at automatic, and yeah, this has really strong lights apparently. Currently at 9th gear, not even 3k RPMs, driving 240. Okay, someone just pulled in front, we need to brake here. So let's go again. There's a corner right here. Currently at 220. The car does the corner pretty well. It's not a GT3, but it's very well balanced. 230, 240 in the corner. This is pretty impressive for a car like this. This is the S-Class long wheelbase. Do you prefer this S-Class or the new one? Let me know in the comments. Personally, on looks, I prefer this one. Driving wise, the new one has so many features. But I will do a full review on this car, so subscribe to not miss out. I will show you through the infotainment and what it can do and all of its features. We've got the beautiful wood trim here with the Mercedes clock. Currently at 255, car driving like it's absolutely nothing. I can talk to you with one hand of the wheel. This is the limiter, by the way. The car could go quicker, but it's limited to 250 GPS. So that's why the speedometer says like something like 255 and stuff, because it's 250 GPS. I could do that for ages. Just driving 250 with this car, it's absolutely stable on the ground. Feels absolutely solid. There's a little corner here, but it's absolutely no problem. There's just some wind noise, which is a little bit too much for an S-Class in my opinion. We've also got here the ventilated seats, the heated seats and massaging seats. I currently turned both on. Yeah, we're just here cruising at 250 kilometers per hour. Absolutely amazing, this car. Please don't forget to like this video so we can rank. And please don't forget to subscribe as well. love a free Autobahn at night. This is the perfect mood, the perfect vibe. We're going like 250 for like 5 minutes straight. I don't even know how long I've been doing this. In the 9th gear by the manual shift pedals. Not even at 3000 RPMs. Absolutely nice. Subscribe for the review of this car and for more cars to come, ladies and gentlemen. I think I will end this night drive POV now. As always, I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, please. So people, I normally ended this video, but in front of me is the new C63 AMG as an estate. Currently driving. Camouflaged. Let's see if we can catch up. I don't think we can, but still, let's try our luck. Currently at 240. 250. No, I will brake. I want to stay behind him. Do you see this? Do you see the 4 exhausts? Okay, he's going away. He knows I'm following him.